With a sleeker, slimline design and increased power output of 2.4 UMOL per watt, Telos have unveiled their brand new 6 Pro LED grow light. Inside the box you'll find the complete fixture and the power cable. We have a pre-release model here, but for the full release, a handy instruction booklet is also included. Using only 175 watts of energy, the Telos 6 Pro LED grow light produces 2.4 UMOL per watt and a total of 420 ppf. This makes it incredibly efficient to run, helping keep your energy bills down to an absolute minimum. Perfectly suiting smaller areas ranging from 75 cm by 75 cm up to 90 cm by 90 cm, the revised lower profile unit lets you take advantage of more vertical growing spaces as it can be positioned higher up in your tent or room. And by weighing just 4 kilograms, adjustments to hanging heights can be made quickly and simply. The Telos 6 Pro LED grow light is designed and manufactured in the UK to incredibly high standards, with an IP66 rating for dust and water. Get yours from GroWell today for only £319.95.